Hey, what's up guys, it's Lashik again in a new video. Today we are going to unbox this light right here. It says it looks really attractive, let's be honest here. It's a table light and it has the time. It has a wireless charging, which I wonder if it's gonna be fast. Let's test that out. It has a color changing base, seems attractive, and two light modes. It is 3 color modes, but we have to test that out. It also has a USB port which can be useful for any other thing. So that's pretty much it for the box overview. It has exclusive technology which they didn't precise. I really wonder what is inside. It has balanced natural light. Okay, let's see that. Adjust, so its flexible neck allows for easy adjustment on light angle. Maybe that's true. And that's pretty much it for the box overview, since there's a lot of extra information. It says healthier by design. It's just adding more and more information. I don't think that will be useful for the product itself. So let's go ahead and unbox it right away. So this product is available in Costco, but this is not a sponsored video and I got the product myself. So when you open right away, you have this. I wonder what that is. So it's like a charging cable that comes in a separate box, and this is for the packaging. Then you have the light itself. It feels pretty lightweight. It is flexible as mentioned, and it also has the wireless charging pad right here. And pretty much nothing else is included. It has a manual. It also, okay, so there is an alarm, I guess. As you can see, we have to test that out. I'm really not sure about that one. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box. Let's go ahead and open the light itself and test it out right away. Off, change brightness. So it's the button that they are talking about here. Has a button. I don't understand why it already feels hot. This hasn't been pulled out, which means it hasn't been used. Well, it is a brand new product. You also get this, and let's put away these. So for the charging adapter, it comes with this. So it's basically the round type for down here. It also has the USB as mentioned, so you can charge your well, smart anything. It's just a USB, guys. So you can insert that there, and that's how the light is going to be power sourced. So let's try turning it on and testing it. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell. Lashik Tech. We have all the tech information and weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the review of this product. Catch you later.